Chad Daybell's attorneys called 3 more witnesses this morning as he continues putting on his defense in an Ada County courtroom. Chad stands accused of murdering his first wife, Tammy, and 2 of his current wife's children, Vallow and Tylee Ryan. Our Morgan Romero is live at the Ada County courthouse. Morgan, there is still a lot of interest in this case.
Absolutely, Brenda. Fewer people than yesterday showed up here to the Ada County courthouse, but the courtroom was still packed. Take a look at this video that I got from my cell phone this morning around 7:45. This is the line outside the courthouse. Yesterday, this line was wrapped around the building. A lot of people interested in what Chad's children had to say yesterday. Chad's son-in-law, Joseph Murray, was back on the stand. He got a little testy with one of the prosecutors during cross-examination, specifically when asked about law enforcement's investigation into the Daybells. Chad's defense attorney, John Pryor, called the forensic pathologist he hired to help with his investigation. Dr. Kathy Raven reviewed Tammy's autopsy report and what she called other pertinent materials. She classified Tammy's cause of death as undetermined rather than homicide by asphyxiation, as the Utah Medical Examiner's Office determined after exhuming Tammy's body. Dr. Raven told the jury evidence did not show any physical, anatomical, or toxicological causes of death, and she doesn't jump to conclusions or speculate if there's no scientific evidence. Prosecutors asked other witnesses if the bruising on Tammy's upper arms could be a result of someone holding her down while someone else suffocated her. They asked other witnesses this earlier in Chad's trial. Today, Pryor circled back to that with Dr. Raven.
And to commit to some other information like a plastic bag or sitting on someone's chest or putting a pillow over somebody's face, would you agree that that would be conjecture, speculation, and hunch?
Without any evidence?
Yeah.
Of that? Yes, I believe so.
Okay. And at the present time, would it be your testimony that the logical conclusion in your mind that should be drawn from this is that the cause of death of Tammy Daybell would be undetermined?
Yes, in my opinion, it should be undetermined.
The prosecution pointed out Dr. Raven did not review the laundry list of reports and interviews the Utah Medical Examiners reviewed to make their findings. She only reviewed what the defense provided her. The doctor testified taking all those reports into account, though, could be an example of confirmation bias if you're using them to determine cause of death. Pryor also called one of the Daybell's neighbors, Regan Price, who testified about hearing a gunshot. Price was asked if she heard that gunshot on September 9th, 2019, which is one of the 2 days that police believe Tylee Ryan was killed, but she says she does not remember what date it was. Brenda?
Yeah, Morgan, do you know how many more witnesses the defense plans to call today?
Pryor said he plans to call 2 more witnesses today, but those witnesses were not ready before the lunch break, so we did recess for lunch early, and we will reconvene in about half an hour.
Well, thank you so much. And you can find all this information over on our website at ktvb.com. Thanks, Morgan.